had Simoni. Jamoliddin Nuraliyev demanded 10% from Ziyoyev Jamshed. That is, to give Jamoliddin 45 million out of 450 million Simoni. But Ziyoyev Jamshed rejected Jamoliddin Nuraliyev's demand. Nuraliyev, who was the first deputy chairman of the National Bank and controlled other banks from May 2016 to February 2017, appointed Sharifzoda Firuz Komidin as interim manager. During this short period of time, Sharifzoda Firuz Hamidin completely robbed Tajprombank and owed the head of this bank, Jamshed Ziyoyev, 50 million Simoni. And now imagine how Tajprombank, which had 800 million Simoni in the treasury, was forcibly declared bankrupt with 50 million Simoni. This damned Sharifzoda Firuz Hamidin was a cruel thief and robber. After the end of the temporary management of Sharifzoda Firuz Komidin, on March 3, 2017, the National Bank officially declared Tajprombank bankrupt, and at the request of the National Bank, the case was transferred to the Commercial Court of Dushanbe. Sharifov Takdir was appointed special administrator. From this day on, the torment of Tajprombank depositors began and continues. However, Sharifzoda Firuz Komidin was appointed the first deputy chairman of the National Bank of the Republic of Tajikistan. He is the son of former Interior Minister Hamdin Sharifov.